In this video, you'll learn how to create a page using Zoho Canvas Builder. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will successfully design a customized page for your records within the Zoho platform. So navigate to the Zoho homepage. You can do this by entering the URL for Zoho products in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section labeled Explore All Products. This area provides access to all the different tools and applications offered by Zoho. After reaching the home page, click on the option for Setup or Settings. This will typically be found in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon. Once you click this, the Settings menu will load, displaying various configuration options available for your Zoho account. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Canvas within the Settings menu. This section is specifically designed for customizing page layouts and designs. Upon selecting this, you will be redirected to the Canvas Builder interface, which allows you to create and edit your page layouts. Once the Canvas interface is displayed, look for the button that says Create Home Page. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new page layout. You may need to wait a moment while the system prepares the necessary tools for you to begin designing your page. After the creation screen appears, you will have the option to select a template for your new page. Browse through the available templates and click on one that suits your needs. This selection will help streamline the design process by providing a pre-structured layout. If you prefer to start from scratch, you can choose the option to create blank template. This allows for complete customization without any preset elements. Once you decide, click on the corresponding button to proceed with your chosen option. After selecting a template or choosing to create a blank one, click on the button labeled Select. This will confirm your choice and take you to the design interface where you can begin customizing your record detail page. At this point, ensure that you have sufficient storage space in your Zoho account to accommodate any elements you plan to add, as larger files may require more storage and could affect your design options. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.